try to be diligent and be trustworthy in the funds that is being given to us in order to deliver it well to those who need the most. That's why this highlights through AVP, may you see what together did in the last 6 years.
As we continue to celebrate this significant occasion, may God continue to bless the PPBO abundantly, just as you have blessed others. Thank you for being the light of faith and love in the Passionist community.
Dapat sundin ang bawat Pilipino. Mundo seta na, sali ka, magtatanim bawat taon ng isang
Congratulations and more blessings. Happy 6th anniversary to the Philanthropic Development Office. Dr. Orven and the whole team, congratulations.